Okay, we're going to go through the ordering costs or the costs of inventory here. So our question is that we have quantities of 100 rather than EOQ. What is the increased cost? So we have all of our cost formulas here. Here's EOQ. We're going to need to calculate that first. So I like to set it up like this. DS&H, my annual demand is $25 per week equals 25 times 52 weeks. Our setup cost, so that we have delivery costs us $50, so that's our setup or ordering costs. And our holding cost space is valued at $8 a month, so equals 8 times 12. All right, and then we can go ahead and do equals 2 times our annual demand times our setup costs, and that's the top part of this formula. We can take that equals that divided by our H. That is everything under the square root, and then take the square root of that, and this gives us our EOQ. So then we have our different costs here. So our ordering costs, we're going to set this up. So on this side, we're going to do EOQ, and on this side, we're going to do Q of 100. So our ordering costs, slide this down here. Ordering costs is our annual demand. So we have 1,300 equals 1,300 divided by our order quantity. So on this side, we've got EOQ. And on this side, we have our annual demand of 1,300 divided by 100. So this is the number of orders we make each year. And our order or setup costs equals this times our setup cost equals this times our setup cost. And this is our 2, and this is our EOQ over here. Move these over. And this is my ordering costs. So we have two different order costs here, right? We have Q of 100 and EOQ. So we'll highlight those, we'll make those green. Now my holding costs, that's my order quantity divided by 2 times our holding cost. So our order quantity equals, again, EOQ divided by 2. And this is 100 divided by 2. And then we multiply that times our holding costs. And here we have our holding costs. Now, you will note that our holding and ordering costs are exactly the same for EOQ. They should be, if we did that correctly. And then we need to calculate purchase costs. Purchase costs are nothing more than annual demand times our purchase cost per unit equals annual demand times we're paying $35 per microwave. And that's the same for each of these. And then we need to calculate our total cost. So our total cost is equal to purchase cost plus holding costs plus ordering costs. And that's the same for this, equals purchase costs. And that, again, that's the same for EOQ and for Q of 100. So we can convert these over to dollars. And the difference, and you can see the purchase cost doesn't affect that, but the difference is equals this minus this. So the increased cost for not ordering by EOQ is $1,917.30. So we can take the difference of equals this plus this, and I can drag that over, and you'll see again the difference between these equals this minus this is that same amount, right? Because the difference is only in the holding and ordering costs. There you go.